This 2019 Forest River Wildwood FSX 179 DBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Wildwood FSX 179 DBK is 3,224 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.